Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Drone Pilot Canada version 2.9 is now available and offers some cool new features I'm sure you'll enjoy. If you've already purchased Drone Pilot Canada, upgrading to the new version is absolutely free. If you haven't yet, it's available in both the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Let's have a look at the new features. The first enhancement is some extra flexibility in adjusting your flight duration after completing a flight. You know what I mean here. You forgot to start the timer or forgot to end it and you have to do some fiddles. The duration slider will always appear now, and you can still use it to adjust the time. But now you can also use these plus or minus buttons to bump it up or down in handy increments of 1 minute, like this. Simple and effective. The second feature offers more flexibility for dealing with PDF documents you've stored in the app. If you go to the hamburger menu, select Documents, then the type of document, say Flight Plans. Now, when you tap on the document name, you're offered a choice of viewing the document, exporting it, deleting it, or, well, just canceling. The export option is new and handy for sharing a document you may have stored in the app, especially flight plans. Thanks to Drone Pilot Canada user D for suggesting this feature. Another simple but handy feature in this release is the ability to delete a previously searched location. Say you've been innocently stalking someone. Oh wait, hold on, that doesn't sound right. Let's just say you've searched for an address and you don't want to have it on your previous search list anymore. To delete it, just use the previous search list to go there. Say this one, 11 Red Oaks. Let's go there for old time's sake. Then on the dot menu, tap Clear Last Location, and it'll be gone. See, back on the previous item list, it's gone. Easy, and they'll never know. The last two features are related to Class F zones, and certainly the folks living in Nova Scotia will appreciate the first one. Whenever NAV Canada activates a CYD Class F danger zone, which are zones located off the east and west coasts of Canada, they put up a NOTAM announcing the activation. No big deal, except that the area of influence circles for some of these NOTAMs can be huge. When CYD 703 is activated, for example, it makes it look like a big chunk of Nova Scotia is a no-fly zone, which isn't really the case. The only real no-fly zone is the actual CYD 703 area, this weird shape here. Now, as a drone pilot, you should consider these CYD zones to be no-fly zones at all times, activated or not. So the NOTAM circle, for us at least, as drone pilots, is redundant and a bit intimidating, to be honest. So we've just muted these danger zone activation NOTAM circles. The CYD zones are still clearly displayed and annotated and are still no-fly zones for all drones. Again, thanks to Drone Pilot Canada user Glenn for pointing out this issue. The second Class F zone improvement is, well, to be honest, more a correction than a feature. If you had your map set to sub 250 gram mode and you tapped on a CYA Class F advisory zone, we displayed a weird message about flying under 30 meters. That's now been changed and simply explains what the zone is, say a hang gliding area like this one, and advises you to fly with caution. It's exactly the same message as for drones over 250 grams. All good. Oh wait, one more tiny update. On the hamburger menu, additional resources item, we've added a link to the Drone Pilot Association of Canada's website. dpac represents recreational and small commercial drone operators by promoting safety and a reasonable regulatory environment in Canada. I hope you've seen my videos about dpac. Membership is absolutely free, so if you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to check out our fancy new bilingual website and join the team. Well, there you have it, some great new usability features in version 2.9. Drone Pilot Canada, built by Canadians for Canadian drone pilots. Thanks for watching. Safe and happy flying.